Hi everyone, Alina here, and today I'm gonna show you how I create bloody nails for Halloween. Let's keep watching. For my design, I use first black gel polish. Under the coat, anyway we're gonna cover it, but I was tested before and I added just in top of nails, natural nails or clear tips. It doesn't work nicely, it's not give that bright effect. So if you want to have effect like I do, you have to put black gel polish. How you see it, I use one coat because this very high pigment gelina polish and I'm love to work with. I put in the lamp for 1 minute to curate my black gel polish, and now I show you what I use. So I use pigment pencil. So before, if you remember, we have like pigment pot, we have like eyebrows and eyeshadows, like some glittery stuff, but now I use actually a pencil. It's easy to use. In the lid inside we have pigment and we have like kind of sponge inside another side. So when I'm apply, for me it's actually easier. But when you see it now, I'm gonna share with you how I'm apply. You will see I still use my fingers, and I recommend of course to use gloves when you work with it. When it's finished curing, I want to show you how I tested and how it's work differently when you clean a sticky layer and apply pigment, or when you put in top of top coat. So first you see I wipe it sticky layer, I wait when it's dry, and now I start to apply my pigment. So when I'm working normally from the center, and I start to work around to rub in. So if you see it with the pencil, it's actually not nicely to use, and after when I start to rub in with the finger, it doesn't work either. So I struggle to edit my pigment. I knew that, but I want to prove for you as well, it's not solution to wipe it sticky layer. Some of the pigments it's work like that, but mirror pigment and some holographic pigment not really work. So I'm give up, and now I start to apply top coat, and I show you how it's work with actually top coat. I'm apply top coat, not big layer, actually very small layer, and then I'm added to the lamp. Very big attention, when you put in the lamp, you have to not cure it 3 minutes or 2 minutes. You have to apply and cure it for 1 minute, not more than that. And when it's warm, you have to rub in your pigment. Like that, it will work 100%. When nail still warm, I am apply a pigment, and you can see how nicely it's applying. So I'm apply more as possible, and with the corners and near to cuticles I will apply with my finger. So if you see it, sometimes I edit and it's finished, so I am go in and carry on to work with. What it's like my tip and trick, you have to do nails one by one, because if you work with 5 fingers or 4 fingers, when you finish with one, another one is already cooled down and it doesn't work. So it's work nicely when it's still warm. So you can see I finish my coat, I'm just apply with the finger, and it start to be very nice and smooth. When I'm done with application, I am apply primer, you can see in free edge. So I am apply around the nail. When I'm finished with application and I wait when it's dry, at least for a few seconds, then I'm apply base coat. Remember, base coat have to be completely clear, don't give any yellow colors on the nails. And now my favorite part, I use crystal clear. I use actually quite often for my design, and for this design what it's give blood effect, we use crystal clear middle color. We have three colors: a light color, then middle red and dark red. Dark red I will use on the tip to give that nice witchy effect, let's say. So I show you how it's gonna be in the end. When it's finished curing first red layer, then I'm added on the tip darker color and I blend it with normal brush. It don't have to be perfect and accurate. It's normally work just with normal brush. You don't have to use ombre brush, for example. It's work for me very well like that. When I finish curing next layer with dark red color, I'm apply top coat. When I'm done with top coat, I see it's little bit missing, so I need to add on the tip little bit of black gel polish. What we don't have to apply top coat. And of course, we apply some stones. You know what kind of nails by Alina without any stones and bling. I'm use my gel for application stones, and I use some stones red color and black. I think it's gonna suit very nicely. I hope you enjoy my video and you're gonna create some nice nails for your clients for Halloween. See you soon!